Alright, so your March 15th winners of the First Alert Umbrella giveaway are Mandy Lofgren from Junction City and Colleen Hawley from Marysville. If you want to be a part of the giveaway and have a chance to win one, make sure to sign up to win a free First Alert umbrella by scanning the QR code on the screen or visiting wibw.com/umbrellas. And as we take a look at our Washburn University Skycam in Emporio, you can see a couple snowflakes falling right now. We're starting to see some of that snow start to make its way on in the area. It's blowing sideways because of those strong northwest winds blowing between around 40 to 60 miles per hour. And as we take a current look at our Skycam from around Topeka, you can see just how windy it is, and you can see visibility has dropped quite a bit as well out here in Topeka. So not looking great right now out there to be out and about. Peak wind gusts today as of 4 p.m. are between around 45 and around 60 miles per hour. So really verifying to where the forecast for the wind gust was at as we forecasted this wind event. And our current wind gusts are currently between around 15 and around 60 miles per hour still as well. So it still is pretty windy across northeast Kansas. That will continue as we go throughout the evening. And I'm expecting our winds to start to level off as we go into the hours of the morning tomorrow into the afternoon. So it will remain windy overall throughout much of the area. Advisories, watches, and warnings. We do have a high wind warning until tonight at 11 p.m. So make sure you have those loose objects secured down outdoors because they will fly. And as you can see from our Prairie Bank Casino and Resort live storm tracker, we are seeing that secondary band of snow make its way through northeast Kansas and dropping a little bit of snow, not accumulating on the ground. But right now our temperatures are just around or just above freezing, and we do have a lot of cloud cover. There is a winter weather advisory until 8 p.m. tonight for a few of our counties here in northeastern Kansas, and then the ones over in the Kansas City viewing area as well. And that's for the possibility of seeing up to an inch of snow, and visibility is dropping, as well as those winds. That will continue to be in effect until 8 p.m. I'm unsure if they will extend that, but I wanted to mention it to y'all. 24-hour temperature trend dropping from the 30s to the teens, then back into the 30s by tomorrow afternoon. We have dropped around 30 degrees already today, and we have around another 20 degrees to go because it is quite a bit of a drop in temperatures. Tonight's forecast, as I said, we will be in the teens. We will see those partly cloudy skies as we go throughout the overnight hours with those winds out of the northwest. That will continue into tomorrow as those winds let up. We will be sunny, but we also will be blustery, especially to start the day. And we will be in the 30s throughout northeastern Kansas. And I'm expecting that to be the case for much of the day. We won't really escape that. Our wind gust will start to calm down as we go throughout the overnight hours, really between around 25 and 35 to 40 miles per hour. Going into tomorrow, around 25 to 35 miles per hour for the most part for our gust. I am expecting those temperatures to continue to drop as we go throughout this evening into tonight, and we will see wind chill values all the way into the negatives between 0 and negative 10 degrees for those wind chill values going throughout tomorrow morning. So it's going to be chilly for your commute to work and school, and you want to make sure to bundle up for those two options. And then we will warm up just a little bit, but not really or to any much above freezing, just around freezing or just above freezing for the day's high. We will be pretty chilly tomorrow. It will feel much wintry like, and we also will continue to see isolated snow banding and snow showers as we go throughout this evening. The models are showing a little bit of dry air as well interacting, which is why it's here and there and scattered, but we will clear out from that snow and our cloud cover as we go throughout tonight into tomorrow morning. leaving us really clear as we go throughout tomorrow. 8-day forecast, cold and windy tomorrow, looking mostly cloudy for St. Patrick's Day in the 50s. Warming up for Wednesday, looking a little bit more lucky for Wednesday's forecast as we will be warmer. On Thursday, we will be in the 80s. First day of spring is Friday, and we will be in the mid 80s by then. Then we may see a cold front come through sometime on Friday evening into Saturday morning, and that will drop temperatures into the 70s again on Saturday, and that will continue to be the case as we go into Sunday and Monday. I'll have more in my full 8-day forecast coming up at 10.